Hello, English learners. Welcome to another lesson on Everyday English. This is Comprehensible Input. What is comprehensible input? It is a great way to learn a new language. You look at words and you listen to them. You understand everything. You learn English naturally, without a lot of effort. Today, we will talk about our body. We will learn the names of many parts of the body. Please look and listen very carefully. Let's start our new lesson. I have a head. My head is on the top of my body. I have 2 eyes. My eyes help me see. I have a nose. My nose helps me smell. I have a mouth. My mouth helps me talk and eat. My mouth has teeth. My teeth help me eat. I have 2 ears. My ears help me hear. I have hair on my head. My hair can be long or short. I have 2 arms. My arms are long. On my arms, I have 2 hands. My hands have 10 fingers. My fingers can hold a pen. I have 2 legs. My legs are strong. On my legs, I have 2 feet. My feet have 10 toes. My feet help me walk and run. My body is amazing. Thank you for learning about the body with me. That was a great lesson about the body. We hope you enjoyed it and learned many new words. Remember, listening to English is a fantastic way to improve your English. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep enjoying our lessons. If you liked this video, please give us a big thumbs up. Subscribe to Everyday English for more great lessons, and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for learning with us, and we will see you in the next video.